And so let's just take this opportunity now to move into a time of stillness, a time of meditation, and a time of connecting with that presence and power that we are. A time of calling forth that divine guidance within ourselves. And so if it's comfortable for you, I just invite you to close your eyes, to relax your shoulders, to feel yourself easing into this moment, right here and right now. Connecting deeply with spirit, deeply with the oneness that we express. We allow ourselves to ease into this moment, to know and affirm right here and right now that spirit, that God, that the universe is here, that it is an active presence within us, and that that presence is always drawing us forward, encouraging our spiritual growth and moving us forward on our life path. And so right here and right now, we call forth that presence and power of spirit as divine guidance within us. Knowing and affirming in this moment that we are divinely guided, that we are filled with the divine wisdom of spirit. As we feel that presence, that power of spirit, we allow a question, something that may have been on our prayer list, to pop up in our mind. And in this place of divine connection, we simply allow spirit to guide us in what is ours to do. We open ourselves up to receive the wisdom of spirit. We open ourselves up to hear Spirit's voice speaking loudly. And so it is with that as our intention that we move now into a time of silence, a time of resting, a time of communing, a time of knowing that we are one as we rest in the silence. Ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place. And whether we come back with our guidance fully received or with the knowledge that it is still coming to us, we allow our energy and our attention to return to the outer. And it does so with gratitude in its heart. Gratitude for the answers we have received, gratitude for the answers we will receive. And the knowledge that we will leave this time and place inspired to do wonderful things in our lives and in our world. And so it is with that gratitude in our heart that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is.